Welcome back, darlings. Welcome back to my channel. If you're here for the first time, don't forget to subscribe. And if you subscribe, thank you for doing that. Welcome back to As of Minion. It's all about fashion. So today we are going to learn how I'm going to make this hair. You'll be seeing more videos on hairstyles, on natural hair, how to make your hair in natural hair. You're going to see everything here. So the first thing I'm going to be doing right now, I am going to wash our hair. Sorry, I could not show you that part. I can't show you that part. But before you start, you're going to wash the hair. That's the first thing to do. After washing it, wait to see the hair is dry. So the hair is dry now. The next thing I'm going to be doing is, if you notice at the front of our hair, just look at her hair in front of her hair. I'm going to show you how I'm going to work on it. On my next post, I'm going to tell you what I use on her hair, because I want to grow the front part. So what I did next here is I use shea butter, what we call ori in Yoruba land. So I'm going to apply it to the hair to make the hair very soft. So I'll be showing you lovely kits that you can use for your kids. Just see what I'm doing. I'm going to divide the hair now. I'm going to divide the hair. I'll divide the hair into two. So after dividing into two, I'm going to divide the front into two. That's making three parts. I'm going to do a weaving. I'm going to weave the hair to the front, and I'm going to braid at the back. The braiding at the back, I'm just going to use my rubber to bond it, and I'm going to leave it. So this is what I'm going to do now. I'm going to divide her hair. Just see the way I'm dividing her hair. If you want to divide, you have to use a very sharp take home. Just use a very sharp comb. Just see what I'm doing. It's not easy making hair for kids. Just see the way she's doing. Just see, make sure your line is very, very neat. Just what I'm doing. Make sure it's very, very neat. That's what I'm doing. It's very easy. You divide. Please don't forget to like, don't forget to share, and don't forget to comment. Just don't forget to comment. Let us be used on this channel that I'm going to be posting more on natural hair, on how to make it style. You divide too. So the next time I'm going to do it, I'm going to weave. Just the way I'm doing my hand. You are going to pick three, just like three. You divide three, then you weave it down. Just what I'm doing. I'm going to weave it. Just see what I'm doing. It's very easy. You pick one, you weave it. Just see what I'm doing. It's not easy making kids hair. Just see the way she's turning her head. Just see what I'm doing. Then you weave it. See what I'm doing. You weave it down. If you're a beginner, this is going to be easy for you. Just see what I'm doing. When you get to the front, you weave. So after I weave, I use my rubber, my fancy rubber, at the front of the hair. This is the third one. I'm going to weave. Hope I'm not too fast for beginners. You weave just the way I'm weaving it. You weave it. Just see what I'm doing. It's very easy. You keep weaving. When you weave your hair, just the way I'm weaving it, just see what I'm doing. Just see what I'm doing. It's very, very easy. See what I'm doing. When you weave, make sure you divide it. Make sure you divide it, and after dividing it, you're going to apply your hair oil, just depending on what you are using for your kit. That's what I'm doing. Then you weave. See what I'm doing. It's very, very easy. Don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to comment, don't forget to share. I'm going to use my rubber at the front of the hair. Just see what I'm doing. Don't forget to on your notification bell, so anytime I drop a new video, you are going to see it. Just see. I'm done with the front part, so I'm going to the back part. The back part, you're not going to weave it. You're just going to divide, and you use your rubber. Just use the way I'm doing it. You divide and you use your rubber. You bond it with your rubber. You divide and you bond with rubber. You go to the next one, you divide and you bond it with rubber till you get to the last place. You divide, you use rubber. Just see what I'm doing. You keep doing the back. You keep doing the back just the way I'm doing it. This is as of me now. Please support me, subscribe, like, share my video. Always comment on my video. I want to see comments. I want to see question and answer. Ask me question, I'm going to answer you. So you keep doing that till you get to the end of L, get to the end of your daughter hair